All right, now let's have a look at how to use the contour tool. So I have pulled out this cute little image from Cricut Access, and I'm going to demonstrate how to use the contour tool to modify this image to your needs. So let's say I don't want this kawaii face on my cup. Instead, I want something written like a cute little text. So I'm gonna use contour to get rid of all of these things and instead replace it with a text. So first of all, you need to understand that this feature only works when the image is set up as different layers. So as you can see over here, there are so many different layers involved in creating this image. You can see it on the right hand side panel. Now, first of all, I need to go ahead and click on ungroup so that all of this is ungrouped. All right, so I'm just gonna click on the face layer over here and I'm gonna go to contour and I'm gonna hide all of the stuff that I don't want. So I can either click on it over here or I can click on the individual pieces on the right hand side. Let me just reduce the size of this. So I'm going to click on all of these because I don't want them. I'm just going to exit. And there you go. The eyes are all hidden now. Now I can easily go ahead and add my text. And I can place my text over here. And now I can select all, attach, and get this whole thing cut. So this is how you make use of the contour tool. You can modify any image you like. You can change it however you like it to, and yeah, customize it to your liking and work on your project. So yep, that is it. So with this, we have reached the end of our third lesson. I hope all of this made sense to you. And don't forget, all of this is available in printable PDF format, which you can purchase by clicking on the link below, and you will get everything covered in this video in written format for quick reference for later. This is something I extremely highly recommend on having, so go ahead and get it so that you don't get stuck while working on any of your project, because it can be quite difficult navigating through design space when you're new, when you're a beginner, and if you're not used to working with a software. So go ahead and grab this. It's 50% off. It's for you to use to help you out with your projects. So yep, that is it for this lesson. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.